Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Anma Beauty contact lenses. I'm currently on their website right now, showing you guys how easy it is to browse their website, and coupled with the fact that they're currently having offers on their website. As you guys can tell, they have all types of contact lenses. They have prescription ones, they have normal ones, they have 1 year one, they have the 1 day type, they have 1 month type, they have all types of lenses and colors and styles on their website. So these are the 6 I've got with me. I decided to show you guys, the ones I've got before wearing them, just to have a feel of what they look like before putting them on. So I am loving them so far. And I also showed you guys with one of my highs first what they look like, and then I showed you guys what they actually look like both eyes. So this is the packaging you'll receive with your lenses. It comes with the case, it comes with the tweezer, and it also comes with the applicator as well, which is really amazing. So as I showed you, as I said, I showed you guys what the lens looks like on my natural highs, and wearing the two together and see what they look like. I really love this one. Actually, it's one of my favorites. It's so natural, and I can wear this one any day, anytime, and anywhere. And especially when I'm going out and I want the focus to be on my eyes or my face makeup, then I'll definitely be wearing this. You'll be seeing a lot of this one on my videos soon because it's definitely one of my favorite, by the way. So the next one here is the brown one, which I also like. This is one, it's on my right eye. Can you guys see that? He's on both eyes now. So yeah, I love this one. It's so natural, but the problem is you can barely tell if I'm wearing any contact lenses. It's way too close to my natural eyes. So I'll be wearing this one on days that I just want that natural look. No focus on my eyes. I just want that, little touch of color to my eyes, and I love it anyway. It's super duper natural, everyday look, and yeah, that's what that one looks like on me. And this is also one of my favorites as well. It's so about power on the face, when you want that look at me, I'm here kind of look. I can dress this up with any outfit, especially based on the fact that it has that pop based tone to it, if that makes sense. That's one of the reasons why I really love this one. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out this one of my favorites as well. I love it. I love the fact that it has different color tones to undertones to it, if that makes sense. So yeah, another one I highly recommend. Yeah. And yeah, and also if you guys don't know, Anna Beauty, they sells all types of contact lenses on their website, and they normally do free shipping as well, and sometimes they do buy one get one free. So yeah, depending on the offers they've got on their website. As you can tell, I showed you guys earlier, they've got 70% off, which is really amazing, and their shipping was really quick as well. Look at that, guys. This one is also amazing in my opinion. Like, I could wear this one also to like an event or a friend's party, or it's not too about power on the face. It's just very cool toned, and one of those ones that I'll definitely be wearing every day. I really like this one a lot. It's not too close to my high color, and it's not too far from it as well. It's just in the middle of both, which is one of the reasons why I really love this one. And the color tone to it is just amazing. You can pair this with any hairstyle, any outfit, and yeah, I love it. It's so natural and very cool. It's not that into your face kind of lenses, and it's very comfortable on the eyes as well. Basically, all their lenses are very comfortable and easy to apply, easy to take off, and no irritations at all. I love how comfortable they are on the eyes, and they didn't irritate my eyes at all. As you guys can tell, there was no redness or anything like that. I am really impressed with their lenses, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out, considering the fact that their shipping was really quick, and the fact that they are also affordable, coupled with the fact that they normally have offers on their website. It's just a no-brainer. This also is just an amazing lens that I just can't get enough of. Look at that. The brown is just out there, like CPD, you know, bright and also cool at the same time. I love this one based on the fact that I can have that effect of, you know, that go, look at that. I can't even explain how I feel about this, but the point is I can rock this one anytime, any day, with any outfit. And yeah, I love it, especially during the summertime. It's gonna give that attention to your eyes, but you know, not too over the place. And this one looks similar to the one that I showed you guys earlier, but the difference is that that other one is more brighter and more focused on the, you know, iris, if that makes sense. But this one is super cool toned, and yeah, I love this one as well. I love the fact that I can also wear this one any day, anytime as well, and it's very comfortable also. No irritation in any of the lenses, so I love them, and I love how comfortable they are on my lid, on my eyes, and I love the fact that I can wear them and pair them with any outfit of my choice. It's left to you guys, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you visit their website, you find loads and loads of amazing, you know, lenses on their website. I would definitely recommend their lenses. In terms of quality, it's AA plus for me. In terms of their shaping, it's AA plus for me. In terms of how comfortable it is on the eyes, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to browse their website, it's definitely AA plus for me. I talked about the lenses so far. I'll leave the details of the lenses in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.